everyone, guess what just arrived? The brand new GiniMini STEAM Kit. And I'm beyond excited to unbox this with you. This is not just any toy. It's packed with science, art and pure fun. Right, let's dive in. You know how much we love activities that make learning exciting. And GiniMini promises exactly that. They say it has 100 plus learning tools, 10 plus fun experiments, and 15 plus essential concepts for kids. That sounds incredible, right? Okay, first impressions. The packaging is super vibrant, making you want to rip it open immediately. And look inside. Wow, it's so well organized, filled with what looks like a new adventure. Oh, check this out. We have so much stuff. And these colorful art supplies are just begging for some creative masterpieces. This kit genuinely brings science and art together in one box. And the best part? It comes with these experiment cards. Each one looks like a mini adventure, guiding you through different concepts. No more guessing what to do. Just pick a card and start exploring. This is brilliant for hands on learning. The quality feels really good, and it's clear that GiniMini has put a lot of thought into making learning accessible and super engaging for kids. This kit is definitely going to be a game changer for our screen free activity time. If you are looking to combine education with endless fun, then you need to check the GiniMini STEAM Kit. It's in pre-launch with an early bird offer right now, so don't miss this. This is going to be a STEAM-tastic summer. What experiments are you going to try today? Let me know in the comments. Make sure you like the video and follow for more kids fun activities.